All right. There's Chaka. People are at least doing a ton better, and they're putting their garbage in the trash can. Maybe not so much with bottle tops. Raul built these stairs to make this a lot easier for some of the other people. Or people that just have there's a little fire leaf cutter trail right there. And there's the river. You can see the rapids over there and the first falls. Yeah, it's the lowest I've ever seen the river, but I've never been here this late in the year. Morning.